Alden Richard update. Ang ganap ni Alden ngayon, nasa taping siya ng Pulang Araw. Napaka-busy nga ni Alden and ginabi pa nga siya just sa taping. And sa post ni Mami Beth, just sa set ng Pulang Araw, yung pang-intent ni Eduardo de la Cruz na si Alden. At may handaan pa, may fried chicken, sisig at gulaman. Just sa set ng Pulang Araw. Ito pa post na GMA Pictures. Sabi, this is finally happened. See you all on May 19, Sunday, 6 p.m. And yung most awaited movie nila Alden Richard at Catherine Bernardo na Hello Love Goodbye Part 2. Abangan. Ito post ng Vivo for Alden Richard, Ambassador. Sabi, Alden definitely impressed with how chameleon-like the Vivo Y100 is with its photochromic body design. Ang ganda ng cellphone fast charge pa. Ito, post ng Casino Plus PH, The Ambassador, Alden Richards and Julia Barreto. Ayan sila yung cover ng Casino Plus PH. Ito pa yung post ni Alden about Vivo. Sabi ni Alden, one a life upgrade without sparking, power up daily life moments that matter with the Vivo Y100 that comes with 80 fast charge and photochromic appearance. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click ang notification bell for more updated po ang Richard Reaction Vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.